What's up, YouTube? Happy Monday. What if you guys watch some Eagles win, get their first Super Bowl? Yeah. Those guys are very, very happy that they won. The whole city, people are calling the radio station crying. Oh, we finally got one. Whatever. But anyway, Philadelphia, they played a very good game. And they won over the Patriots. I think they're one of the most hated teams besides the Eagles. Eagles are very hated around here because their fans are like ridiculous, man. And they finally got one, so now we got to come up to another excuse of why they suck. But anyway, I just ordered my vinyl cutter. It came up to $357 or $350, yeah, about $355, $357, some change or something like that. So it says 1 to 5 days. I ordered it for vinyl color, the R31. Comes with a little bundle package, and I'm very excited. So it said 1 to 5 days, and on the paper it said Saturday, but I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna say Monday, so I don't be, looking out the window all day on Saturday. I probably still will if I'm home, but anyway, yeah. If you watched the first video, I explained of why I did it, and I'm gonna enjoy doing this because now I'll have marketing tools at my leisure, and I've been doing try to do a lot of marketing. I did yard signs before, and I put up like 3 signs. I got a total of 10. Both sides cost me about $130, and it paid off itself the first sign I put up. So now I can make them on my own. I can finish tagging the rest of my vehicles, my trailers and stuff. So that's why. So if you guys got any advice on how to any ideas of other things that I can do to help my business, put in the tag description below, and I'll make it. And this is, I make this, so I'm keeping the tags on this so that when people want to start, they see my videos, they can see that they can do it, because I've never did anything with vinyl, nothing with eventually we're going to be doing t-shirts and stuff and things of that nature. And I'm trying to start making some decals, make some money off it since I have it. So stay tuned. Curtis Johnson, peace.